And there we go.
Oh yeah, what do we have here?
Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Hey everybody, it's Matt the Garden Guy here. So I have a new product. Well, it's not new. It's new and enhanced from Carpathen. It's their new and enhanced drip irrigation system. Let's unbox it and check it out. Okay, so I haven't opened this yet, so you'll get the reactions, my first reaction. So go ahead and pop that off. Let's check it out. All there. Ooh, I like that. This little quick connect, we're really going to explore those out. One of the hardest things with these irrigation systems is getting those hoses, the little 1/4-inch hose in these. Sometimes I gotta, heat those up and then pry it on. I'm really excited and interested to see how this works. Let's drop that right there. So we have our emitters, our drip emitters. Same thing. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome, I think. How that connects right there. I'm assuming we just push it right in, and we will definitely be exploring that. We have our 1/4-inch, I think that's 1/4-inch hose. Then we actually have our main feed line. So this is really cool. Alrighty, so in my current system that I have this 1/2-inch supply line. You can see it's not the greatest plastic, but it does the job. This one is really almost like a hose. I think this is gonna work super good. Yeah, I'm definitely excited to check all this stuff out here. We have another set of emitters. Looks like it's just a little bit more. And then, what do we have here? So, okay, so we have our little T's, just more ways to send it out. So they send a little, in the instruction booklet here, a little design if you want to do it that way. Now you can, multiple different ways. You can split it out. What I'm gonna do here in my hoop house is I'm gonna go ahead and just replace my existing system that I have in here with this new Carpathen Drip Emitter System. Alrighty, so far I put my first main supply line all the way down, and I tell you what, this new supply hose is amazing. Way better than this, I'm gonna call it cheapo plastic supply line that I have. Now I'm not dissing it, it does the job, but this one, I like how flexible it is. I can easily get it where I need it to go. And it went right on my existing connections. Super simple. All right, so right here, this is my existing T that I had. So it's going straight down all the way. And then what I did is I started just laying out where do I want my supply lines to go. So I'm gonna put one right there. I'm gonna put one right there and right there in the end. So not actually on the end, and the end they have a little stopper in there, so I'll probably end up putting this guy right there. So my hope is I'll have 2 going down there, 2 will be right here, I'll have some going right here from right there, and then that guy down there will supply this area right here. Alrighty, well, this next part is probably my most favorite part about this whole system. Grab your tube, grab this, push it in. That's it. Super simple. You do not need to heat up that plastic. You don't need to push it in. Pop it right in, and it's in. Super simple, super easy. Now I'm gonna do the rest of them. All right, so I need to go ahead and get this connected to the main supply line. So I'm just gonna grab a pair of snips, kind of figure out where I want to put it. Just eyeball it and get it cut right there. All right, so I got it cut. You're gonna grab the little screwy on guy. You're gonna put it on right there. And then grab your adapter, screw that off, put it on there. And just simply push it right on. Really no effort, and come back by. Just screw that on. I'm gonna get my other end. Make sure there's no dirt in that hose. There we go. Push that guy on. Again, it's pretty simple. Like, I'm not putting that much effort at all. Locking that up right there. Alrighty, so my garden bed isn't fully planted right now. All I got is some garlic in there. This is my 2 foot by 8 foot bed. And you can see I have the emitters kind of spaced out. And I have my garlic there. And I don't have anything here yet, but I do got them set out there and all hooked up. And now here's a moment of truth. We are going to turn on the system and see how they work. And there we go. It's working. We can spin this top to adjust how much we want it to go. No, little, high, as far as how we want to go. Alrighty, so my final thoughts of this new and improved Carpathen irrigation system. It's a game changer. The super easy connections that they have, anybody can use this. Anybody can put them together. It really took no effort at all. Just pushed them right in. That's it. I do want to thank Carpathen for sending me this system to review. They had no influence on this at all. If you follow me, you know that I give my honest opinion. I do my stuff off script. It is straight from the head. I put all my passion into this. So I appreciate them sending it to me, and I appreciate that they are making an awesome product and listening to everybody. Until next time, keep growing, and I'll talk to you later.